Look, 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 look. Whoa!
Wait.
Whoa!
Look, Daddy. Very cool. There. Baby. Oh. Baby. Life is joy. Life is joy.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Life of Troy. So today, as you guys can see behind me, I got a bunch of Paw Patrol toys for Troy. He has no idea that these are here. So pretty much, you guys, this is gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna cover up the toys with this blanket. Pretty much, we're just gonna really see how he reacts. I think he's gonna be pretty happy. He's gonna be probably screaming, I believe. He starts screaming when he gets so excited. So, yeah, you guys. So let's get into it. So let's go get Troy, you guys. Wait, keep your blinds on, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you can take it off. Okay, wait. Are you ready? Okay, go sit on the chair.
Okay. I'll open it.
Huh?
I'll open it.
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay, Troy, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Alright, 1, 2.
Wow! That's cool!
Whoa!
We open it up!
Huh?
We open it up!
You wanna open it up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Dad, let's open it up, okay, Troy?
Okay. Look guys, it's Paw Patrol!
Whoa, who's that, Troy? That's Ryder!
This Marlo!
And who's this one right here?
This Marshall!
Marshall? Where's Chase?
There.
That's Chase!
Guys!
And Sky. Oh, you got the stickers?
Stickers? Oh! It's Paw Patrol! We open it up!
Okay, Troy, let's put some stickers on them.
Yes.
And we're just gonna go right here. Oh! Okay, Troy, we're almost done with the stickers.
Yeah.
Whoa, where does this one go?
There you go. What is it?
Huh? You wanna put it here?
Yeah.
We can put it here. I think we can put these anywhere, really. Oh, wait, maybe it goes in here. Where?
Wait.
Okay, we'll put it here.
Yeah. Right there.
We'll put it right there. Let's put Ryder in there. Wait. Okay. Oh, wait. There it goes. So there comes Ryder. Chase. Chase is number 2. So let's put it down. So Chase is number 2. Who's number 3? What number is that right there, Troy?
Number 3.
That's number 3. Okay, so Marshall's next.
Wait. Oh, is it that?
Wait, wanna see something cool?
Yeah.
You wanna see something cool? Look.
Yeah.
Look. Whoa!
Oh. Beep.
Chase? Okay, let's load them. Beep. Ready?
Wait.
Oh, look at that. Look, Troy, watch this. Ready? Boom. She got rockets.